How to fix Instagram zoomed in screen problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to fix Instagram zoomed in screen issue. So without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, you need to launch settings on your phone. Scroll down and navigate to apps. Tap on it and select app management. With this, tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in Instagram. Tap on Instagram and access app info. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. Come back. Tap on force stop and tap force stop to force stop the application. And with this, you need to exit from this section. Open Play Store. Navigate to the search icon and search bar. Type in Instagram and search for the update. If you see any update available, you simply need to tap update button and update it to the latest version. And following this method, you will successfully fix the Instagram zoom issues on your screen. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.